You can't document and report on measurement data you don't have. Ensure you've got all the test data you need. The first time with the Fluke 1670 Multifunction Installation Tester. No more going back to grab a measurement because of lost paperwork or missed tests. Everything you need is built right into the 1670 series Multifunction Installation Tester. Designed for residential, commercial, and industrial electricians. Tailored to validate test results against regulations and make sure you get all the tests done the first time. With up to 30% faster testing compared to performing a manual test, and up to 50% faster reporting. 1670 series transforms how you work, allowing you to complete tasks more efficiently and accurately. Let's explore the key features. The 1670 series speeds up the setup process, performs all your required testing up to 30% faster using the unique auto test function and the form view mode, helping you keep track of completed or pending measurements. The device provides clear on-screen connection diagrams and pass-fail guidance directly on the measurement screen and in the results table, ensuring no tests are missed and always delivering professional results. In addition to speed and efficiency, the 1670 series supports a wide range of international standards, including IEC 60364-6 and IEC EN61557, ensuring compliance and reliability in your testing processes. The 1670 series is equipped with a color touchscreen, flippable by 180 degrees so you can see it even when it's attached to a distribution board. Plus, the 1670 comes with a USB-C port for charging and data transfer to true test software, and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, making it both versatile and user-friendly. Test faster, document faster, report faster. Fluke 1670 series multifunction installation testers.